Hello viewers, welcome to Earthbondhon YouTube channel. I am Mohammad Rahman Shohag with you. In this video, now I am showing you how to make direct start with magnetothermal wiring circuit diagram. If you're new to my channel, please be subscribed and stay with me. Press the bell icon for more my video. If you already subscribed, thank you so much. So viewers, let's start. Triple pole MCB circuit breaker, DP MCB circuit breaker, magnetic conductor, first phase connection, second phase connection, third phase connection, neutral connection, three phase connection to MCB circuit breaker, three phase connection from MCB to connect magnetic conductor, phase connection input to DP MCB, neutral connection input to DP MCB, phase connection from DP MCB to connect contactor, neutral connection from DP MCB to connect contactor, three phase connection output for load from contactor. Now this circuit is ready for use. So viewers, that's my video. If you like my video, please like and share my video to your friend. Share my video to your all social media. Thanks for watching my video and thanks for being with me. Thank you so much.